What is most important when it comes to welding? Absolutely right. We have to protect ourselves during the welding process in order to make a first-class weld. This course introduces the Böhler Welding Guardian helmets. Welding helmets are the essential piece of personal protection. Welding helmets are our key weld care products. In this course, you will learn which helmet is the most appropriate for each user and application. We will provide you with our unique selling points so you can help your customers to take the right decision when buying a welding helmet. Let's get started.